Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign out of your Zedge application in your mobile device. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, the Zedge application is already installed in my mobile device and I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. Now, right now, what we're gonna do is simply log out of our account. At the top left, you will see those three lines right next to wallpapers. I'm just gonna click on it. Then something like this will open up right from the side. Well, don't worry, there are lots of content available, but for now, we're simply gonna go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, well, from here, you can look at the phone settings, push notifications and everything. But right now, what we want to do is simply log out. At the very bottom, you'll see a button like this that says log out. Simply click on it. And guys, that's it. We have logged out of our account. I'm gonna show you guys right now. There you go, guys. As you can see, I have logged out of my Zedge account. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign out of Zedge on your mobile device. It's quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.